Tak lah. Shut up. Kenapa lekat dekat stiker ni? Aku tak suka lah benda yang... Entahlah. Yes, I bought this. Senang aku nak kikis muka orang. Cucuk muka orang. Yeah. Masa aku pak side. Kalau this, so... I love this one. Okay, let's go. Okay, sus coffee again. Aku tak tahu ni sus coffee ori ke tak ni. Serius lah ni. Zegamat Johor. Okay, Johor. Betul-betul. Lagi. I bought its head and its butt. Yeah, its butt. Yes! Ice cream. Aku tak tahu nak gantung kat mana semua ni. I bought this too. Oh my god. Nantilah unboxing banyak weh. Capi parah. Ada benda dalam ni. Ada bunyi. So cute. And again, cute. Apa lagi ni? Ice cream lagi. Tinggal receipt. Sekian. Then I bought this bag because it's so nice. I love this bag. I don't need to buy any more. Any art print, I guess. I just bought this one and already perfect. Complete. So yeah. Tak balik. I want to give some for my friends. Yeah. By the way, it's so cute. I don't know where to nak gantung dia. Where I need to hang this. I don't know. Tak ada bunyi. Okay, bye.